Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a bathroom organization video. I'm showing you the before of my bathroom and then also the after. We have this long vanity that we share. One side is Jason's, one side is mine, and so it is time to reorganize underneath these, and I bought new bins from Target to organize underneath the sinks with. And so if you like this type of video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you use bins or baskets, or what do you use under your sink to organize your toiletries, and also where do you keep your towels. I'm going to ask you this probably 2 or 3 times in this video because as you can see, I did keep towels under my side of the sink, but I decided to keep both sides uniform as far as how many baskets I have in each. So I thought that I would move the towels and put them somewhere else. So let me know where you keep your towels and washcloths and hand towels, and I'm going to see if I could put mine into my closet. But for this video, we're organizing underneath both sinks and these drawers, so let's get into today's video.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out? Help you fight and let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend, seeing her smile. Still, I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out?
So I went with 3 different size bins, and that's just because we have different size products and I wanted to be able to see into the bins and know what I'm getting out. And I thought that if I had the bigger one and put like my skincare routine stuff in it, then it would just kind of get drowned in all of the other toiletries. So if that makes any sense to you, that's the reason why I chose different size bins, as well as it just looks better to me than having the same size throughout.
And let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out.
So I also wanted to mention that this little pink bucket that I store my toothbrush and my toothpaste in, I've had it since I was in the 8th or 9th grade. I've had it a super long time. Wait a minute. I would say, yeah, I was probably in the 8th grade. So I think I got that from the Dollar Tree. So that was $1 well spent.
On Sundays. Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath. This is the only way you'll ever find out that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays.
Okay, I'm hoping to have just enough battery to show you the end result here. So I put my skincare things here. I have more, but a lot is in the shower. Toothpaste and brushes, deodorant, my eye contacts and eye solution, my bath salt, and I didn't get this on camera, but I moved all of my nail stuff in here, and I have more to put in there. And then this is just some other toiletries that I use, and then I put Jonah's powder spray in here, my small makeup mirror, and I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. It's not too crowded, but it fits everything. And then up here is just where I put all the stuff that I didn't use, and I'll have to find places for that. But what you didn't see, where my camera stopped, was when I was cleaning this out, and underneath these soaps I have these containers that I used in the boys' bathroom. I bought just the blush pink ones to put in here. So I have a shower cap that I got from the guest house at Graceland when we went, but I have the 2 smaller ones here, and then the 2 medium size here, and then I just put Jason's bar soap here, and then mine back there. This middle one, I just went through it. I didn't get rid of anything. I put my barrettes in here, my bobby pins in here. Then I use these the most to put my hair back when I do my makeup or take a shower. Then some hair ties, and I'm running super low on those. Then I have one hair tie with a bow, and my headbands that I don't hardly ever wear, but I can't get rid of them. This one was my grandma's. And then these 2 I bought when I was pregnant with Jack for labor, but I ended up only using this one for a little bit. But I don't really have anywhere else to put them right now anyway, so they're fine in there. And then I also wanted to keep Jack's toothpaste and his toothbrush in here, so when I'm brushing my teeth and he wants to brush his, I don't have to go into the boys' bathroom. So he has a toothbrush in here. And these are the kids' extra toothbrushes and some floss, because if I keep extras in there, they'll use every single one. But there's a little space back there, but I really don't need it. I could also do it that way. And then under Jason's, I have his toiletry bag back here that he uses when we travel. Just some of his colognes and deodorants, toothbrush and paste. This is his manicure set. I got it at Target. And then over here, I put all of his other little stuff. So we decluttered before this video, and so I basically just had to kind of like straighten it up. And then all of these I put up here, so the sink up here is dirty now, but I just wanted to show y'all how I organized under here, and I really like it. I think it's really uniform, and definitely under my sink it's a lot better. So since I did add more storage under here for toiletries, I'll have to figure out where we're gonna keep our bath towels. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also comment down below where you keep your bathroom towels so I can figure out where I should put ours, since they're not gonna be under the sink anymore. Maybe in our closet, like we have shelving in the closet, so maybe in one of those. But anyways, leave me that comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm just curious.